So we are going to see a question on partnership. Delo and Kukum are in partnership in a business which has three retail departments: television, computing, and telephones. The following balances were extracted from the business account at 30 avril 2002. So we have purchases and sales for television, computing, and telephones. We have wages, we have inventory, television, computing, and telephones. We have sales, staff salaries, general expenses, office salaries, advertising, rent, electricity, insurance, motor vehicle, furniture and fittings, notes. The following must be taken into consideration: inventory for television, computing, and telephones. Stock taking is computerized and is based solely on sales and purchases. No physical stock check has been taken. Accruals at 30 avril 2002, general expenses 2000, electricity 1000, rent 2000. Number of sales staff employed: television 3, computing 4, telephones 1. Commission is paid to sales staff at 10% of sales. Depreciation is charged to motor vehicle and furniture and fitting at 20% per annum on cost. Floor space in square meters: television 2000, computing 2500, telephone 500. And we have expenses apportioned as follows. So we are given basis of apportionment. So we have to allocate these expenses according to the basis of apportionment. Delo and Kukum share profit in the ratio of their capital account, which at 1st May 2001 were Delo $60,000, Kukum $40,000. Interest on capital is payable at 10% of opening capital. Cash drawings for the year were Delo 15,000 and Kukum 4,000. Interest is chargeable on drawings at 2% of total drawings for the year. Kukum is paid a partnership salary of 7,600. During the year, Kukum took from stock for our own use a television costing 1,000. No entries were made for this in the accounts. We are required to prepare in columnar format departmental income statement for the year ended 30 avril 2002. Prepare a partnership appropriation account for the year ended 30 avril 2002. It has been suggested that any department that is making a loss should be closed. Comment on this suggestion. Describe 3 different types of preferences. So here is a question. So we are going to prepare the departmental income statement for the 3 departments: TV, computing, and telephone. And we have a column for total. So we have sales revenue. Sales revenue as given in the question. We have sales revenue for television 214,000. For computer 428,000. And then we have sales for telephone 107,000. So here we are 214,000, 428,000 et 107,000. And then we have to less cost of sales. So we have opening inventory as given in the question. We have 8,000 and then 19,000 and then we have 3,000. Opening inventory. Then we have to add the purchases. Purchases, we have 119,000. We have to deduct 1,000 inventory taken. And then we have 220,000. And then we have 40,000. So we have to add and we have to remain the same column. This will give us 127,000 and then 200. So here we have the total 127,000, 279,000 et 43,000. Now we have to less closing inventory. Less closing inventory. We have closing inventory 16,000. In this one we have to deduct 1,000. And then we have closing inventory 40,000. And then we have closing inventory for telephone 5,000. So we have to deduct and then we go into the second column, same level, ça nous donne 111,000 et puis 199,000 et dernier, ça nous donne, we are going to calculate gross profit. First one, gross profit, we have 103,000 and then gross profit 229,000 and for the last one we have gross profit 69,000 and then we have to deduct expenses. We have to less expenses. Okay, we have general expenses. So general expenses will have to be allocated. So general expenses will have to be allocated in proportion to sales. So we have general expenses 2,000, 4,000, 1,000. Donc ça nous donne 2,000, 4,000 et puis 1,000. And then we have sales salaries, staff salaries, sales salaries. This one will have to be allocated in proportion to number of sales staff. So in the question it has been given number of sales staff, so we have to allocate it. Ça nous donne 55,125, 55,125 et puis 73,500 et puis ça nous donne. Now we are going to calculate sales commission, which is 1% of sales. Ça nous donne combien? 2,140 et puis 4,280 and then the last one 10,70 sales commission. And then we have to calculate office salaries. So we have to see the basis of apportionment for office salaries in terms of sales ratio. Office salaries, we have 10,000, 20,000, 5,000. 10,000, 20,000 et puis 5,000. Now wages to be allocated in proportion to sales. So wages we have 16,000, 32,000, 8,000. 16,000, 32,000 and 8,000. This have to be allocated in proportion to sales. We have advertising, and then we have to see the basis of apportionment for advertising. 4,000, 8,000, 2,000. 4,000, 8,000 et 2,000. And then we have rent. We have 16,800. We have rent to be allocated in proportion to floor area. So the first one, rent, we have 16,800, and then we have 21,000, and then we have 4,200. Now we are going to calculate electricity. Then we have for electricity 4,000, 5,000, 1,000. 4,000, 5,000 et 1,000. And then we have insurance. We have 2,000, 2,500. Now we have insurance 2,000, 2,500 et puis 500. And then we have depreciation on motor van 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. And then we have depreciation on fixtures and fittings 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. 2,000, 2,000, and then 2,000. So we have to calculate the total expenses. So this one will give us the total expenses, and then we'll get the profit. What is the profit? Profit for first one, we have the loss, profit or loss. The first one, we have total expenses 117,065. 117,065 total expenses. And then we have total expenses 175,280. 175,280. And then we have total expenses 46,145. 46,145. Then we have profit or loss. The first one we have loss 14,065. 14,065 loss. And the second one profit 53,720. 53,720. And the last one we have profit 22,855. 22,855. So here we are concerning the income statement. We have already calculated the profit, so we are going to see the whole answer now. Sales revenue 214, 428, 107. And then we have gross profit 103,000, 229,000, 69,000. Then we have the expenses allocated in the different bases of apportionment. So these are the expenses. And then we get the total expenses of 117,065, 175,280 et 46,145. And then we have profit or loss 14,065, profit 53,720 et puis 22,855. So to prepare the appropriation account, we have to calculate the total profit 53,720 plus 22,855 retire 14,065. Ça nous donne 62,510 total profit to be used for appropriation.